YouTubers, this is Galloway Slot Hits with the Sizzling Summer Competition. We are going up today against Vegas High Roller, and we're playing Lightning Link, a $1.50 bet, which is times 3. So here it goes.
You just push it. Need that bonus. Oh. Come on. Come on, give us a bonus. I don't think I've ever played these games.
No, I haven't.
Are those wild? Oh, those are wild.
Ooh, 780.
Woohoo! Come on! Oh.
Almost.
Come on, bonus.
King. 45 cents.
Oh, come on, come on! Oh.
That was mean. That was so mean. That was 15 cents mean. I think we need 5 of those.
Yeah.
But we wouldn't know.
Well, I'm thinking it's got to be 5.
I'm thinking
4 didn't do it.
5 of those will do the respin, or I'm thinking that the suitcases there are the bonus symbol. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
Oh. Yeah, I think the suitcases are the bonus.
$3.
The least you could do is give us some money on it.
I know.
Come on, poker chips.
Not doing nothing.
Wow. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Got it, finally.
Got it. Now, is that considered the bonus?
Yeah, that's the bonus. That's one of the bonuses on this machine.
Okay.
So, start. Need some more.
Come on. More. Oh, don't do that. That was not funny. That was not polite.
Oh, I have to push the button, didn't I?
Oh,
That's
that was good.
That's a $15 one. That's a good thing.
Yeah. Keep them coming. Keep them coming.
No.
Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Big one. Big one. Big one.
No.
Oh. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Come on, come on. Keep them going. Give us the major.
Yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
Ooh, nice.
Another $15 between the two of them. Very cool.
Nice. Oh, come on. Oh, don't dodge. Come on, come on, come on, come on, major.
Do it, do it.
Oh, last bit. Come on, major.
All right, put it up there. We got 13.
13 collected. $58.
Well, Troy and I talked about it before we played this game today. We decided that we're going to quit at the first bonus. We're not a big fan of this game. So good luck, Vegas High Roller. We hope we beat you, though. Bye.